Countrywoman, we no get plenty story for today. The story go turn about Lydol, the singer. What happen with this small girl when a singer, maybe they prepare 2 concerts them. One for Yaoundé on the 23rd of this month and another one for the 7th and 9th for next month for that side for Wyman country. They call us say Abebo Bangay. Countryman, countrywoman. The girl, he don't put his papa for make publicity for an event. A parent them they enter inside. All man they talk about. Now, the papa anga palaba. What na balaba ndamba where they watch for Real Madrid, Barcelona where the thing can happen, man no know. The whole thing I say in a neighbor they get problem. As they get problem in a neighbor, he want use fight in neighbor strong passy. He run car for us. He go take knife for his house. He enter in neighbor his house. He find picking them. The small one for 6 years, be the watch TV. He chop kumba bread with the chocolate. The picking see, the picking no mind or nothing. He cut the picking hand with a knife and they chook the picking neck with that knife. The picking kwara. The other big one them, when they 8 and 9 years, as they see the cam, they run go enter room, they hide themselves. Reme no baby, that picking the Jordan only then. That means if that Reme be there too, that papa for Lydol for surely kwara that Reme. So now so the thing go happen. Kwata na come up vex. They nakam, they call police don't come holy now. Lydol as if want organize a show for Yaoundé. If you don't put papa for before. Now papa be the for before, for back, for before. Now that they don't follow you so the Lydol don't finally talk. Lydol talk for some video for 4 minutes 27 seconds. Inside that video, Lydol they explain how it thing happen, and then Lydol talk say he don't cancel a concert where we begin for organize them for Yaoundé this month. That's after 20 May, and then one for France too. He don't cancel them. He say me justice take it cause may they punish your papa how they supposed to punish him. He say they don't try for enter in contact with family for that Matisse. But parents for Matisse they talk say they no want see una no be now. Say they won't see fresh, so the wait time after we see una. But for now, seriously, we no want see una. So Lydol now he talk, he cry plenty, countryman, countrywoman. Now so tears run down his eyes. Tap like a pipe. Now onomatopia where I don't like for now. Let me say lewa anta for the matter. When I be see me for University of Buea. So plenty people they don't say they react. Plenty artists then too they react. The artists they react for the matter Lydol. Now Petit Boza, he don't react. Blanche Bailey, he don't react. Coco Argenté, he don't react. Lady Ponce, he don't react. Poopy, he don't react. Who again? Plenty of them. Malox by Viber, he don't react. What did they talk for Lydol now? They tell you say, Mama, now time this for you for cool down. Petit Boza, for example, he no like this the outing for Lydol. He say Lydol for shouldn't quiet because the outing will make him. It look like say no be sincere. Because for Petit Boza, Lydol no cry fine. The way they cry, they say it do na comedy. Now so Petit Boza talk. He on video now about 4 minutes too where it clash with he don't clash Lydol. Strong one. Clashes strong one. Countryman, countrywoman. And then my second creature where they call it say Poopy. He owner say me justice for Matisse. Matisse now that for 6 years. Will he do a papa chuki with knife for his neck and then cut his hand, kill him. Justice for he say they not supposed to live and so they go follow up so the papa for Lydol, Mr. Nwafo, need for go ngata. Lady Ponce too, he come outside with on Tori. He say the matter they no must leave him. Say they must follow him so the papa for Lydol get for go ngata strong one. Coco Argenté, he come outside too, he talk his own. He say the matter na strong matter. No man no supposed to leave the matter. They supposed to follow the matter, go before, so that middle Lydol papa, he get sense. Mani Bella don't talk his own. les gens paniquent, nique, Majwa Ayi. I don't forget the name, but we are sing the song, the name go come. Les gens paniquent, nique, à cause de Majwa. Yes, the Majwa Ayi. He talk it on to say they must condemn Lydol papa, Mr. Nwafo. Mr. Nwafo, he don't do bad. For go kill my pikin, where he get problem with the man. Imagine say that power for that pikin be there house that time. Where he don't touch it for that side, for that bar. That man for surely do it another two, no fine. Una just imagine say that so it be happen. Now that you record say la chite, but you go do la chite na for pikin when a papa find you problem. You na papa una try for harm. You know work for you. You go now for go do am na for pikin. For sure I say you want now which kind of fashion that? My long talk for Lydol say me Lydol for Palava music now just calm down. Me just calm down for Palava music because anything we go on move outside now, people they go follow you. People they go attack you. They go be very violent with you. Say me just calm down or say me the thing and go down small before it make any outing. And then, you know, say, the thing they so for the way they journalism, they don't make their outing. Plenty artists they do, they don't make their outing. They don't go now for that house for see play way, papa, be the stay. They don't go see quite away, papa, be the stay. Picture don't go now, viral, countryman, countrywoman. Now, so the matter they, so the matter for Lydol, it go before. It go for way. If a man not take time, the way the thing they go. So Lydol, he use na sense and intelligence too for say he cancel all event them we will organize that because for sure if he sell ticket already, but no for waka. The thing they for job be for some malamalangulung get away. You know for waka at all, countryman, countrywoman. So now so the thing happen. As I return now, we follow the event. We'll see what will happen next. We'll see whether Papa for Lydol, he go Nangata, they go Georgie, he will be in a life imprisonment, or na how the thing will be countryman, countrywoman.